You know, we was going to winter in Las Vegas at the FAM camp at Nellis Air Force Base, but you know, we changed our mind. Some things came up, so we're going to be in South Texas. Tell me, did we make the right choice?
I think we did.
Hey guys, welcome back to Simple Mile. I'm Daniel, my wife Terry. We're here presently in Corpus Christi, Texas. Going to be here for the next, well, two and a half months, Terry?
Yeah,
something like that.
It is, yeah.
These next few videos that we put out, longs and shorts, are going to be primarily around the Corpus Christi area. Going to show you some of what's around here. We're going to kick it off with a park review of where we're at right now. We're at Naval Air Station Corpus Christi, which is a Navy base, of course. A nice little RV park for all my fam camp friends. We're going to show you what it's got, a few of the base amenities, and hopefully it helps somebody out there. So, you guys got to see our video. It's not a bad little base. It's not huge, but it's got a lot of things to it. If you like to play golf, you like to bowl, and you got that swimming pool with slides and whatnot. A little PX. The next isn't huge, but it's got kind of what you need. The Commissary is surprisingly pretty good. Not bad size at all. Had everything you wanted. One of the things to note is over by the Commissary is the auto shop and the auto hobby shop, the MWR one, and that's where the office for the RV park is. It's the office isn't here at the RV park. It's over by the Commissary in the MWR building. And that's if you get here after hours, they told us just to park and settle up the next day. So we set up, went over there, no big deal. So it's about $25 a night for full hookups. I mean, they keep it clean. It's mowed. It's not crowded at all. There's about 90 sites, 92 sites, I believe there is, and there can't be 25 people here. No RVs. There's a and a B side and the smaller, I believe, A side is for long term, probably active duty or something like that, and so everybody else is over here closer to the water, which is the bigger side. But I think they're all back ends. All the sites are back ends. We have a big rig and it fits fine. So we're 44 foot, so pretty much just about what you want to pull in here, you can back it in. You see a lot of people fishing. There's a nice seawall. People backing up there with the trucks, fishing off the seawall. We've seen dolphin out there a few times already, and but nice little site. It really is. It's quiet. They got you. You're out away from everything. There's no traffic going through traffic or anything like that. So I'm gonna tell you right now, in the summertime, this place would be scorching because there is no trees. But the winter time here, this is November, man, you can't. It's right now, I think it's 72 degrees right now with a slight breeze off the water. You almost need your sweatshirt. It's right on the verge. So winter time is definitely the time to be here. Cause I've talked to some people on the fam camp, and that's been here before. And I guess in the summertime, the mosquitoes get pretty rough, and the heat and all that. You're in South Texas. That's what you're going to get. It's going to be hot. But in the wintertime, this is going to be fantastic. In the wintertime, that's one of the reasons we're down here. Cause I'm not doing no butt deep snow. So, once it starts warming up, we'll head Wyoming or Montana or something like that. We was actually thinking about the Upper Peninsula of Michigan this year. We've seen some pretty cool stuff about that too. But back to this place, hey, you can't go wrong here in the wintertime for $25 a night. Can't go wrong. Give it a try if you guys are looking for a place, and I'm not really sure. This might be a good place to go. Come here, set up for a month or two, and do a little fishing maybe, or improve your golf game. You never know.